What's going on, YouTube DZ? What's going on with y'all, man? We are in the city. I haven't been here in a little while now, but we went off to dinner and a couple other things. So I figured I'd do a little POV drive for you guys since I haven't been in the city in a little while. We're just gonna be riding around because we are on our way to a dinner, which is at 8. I figured I'd record for you guys while we go there. We're gonna pop the car in sport here pretty soon, and we just gonna do what we do. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because YouTube, honestly, YouTube sent me an email and they say, yo, tell every viewer to subscribe, because we can't tell them for you. So that's all I got for you guys, man. YouTube told me to tell you guys to subscribe. At that point I can't do nothing else, you feel me? Now it's up to you, but hey, it's YouTube. They said if you don't subscribe, that they're gonna turn off your YouTube and like disconnect you and ban you and stuff. So I don't know, that's what they said to me. So I'm just relaying the message to you guys, so make sure you subscribe. But yeah, we're just pretty much gonna be driving, having a little fun. You guys know that every time we come to the city we go crazy. We're already gonna You don't want to say what's up to YouTube? Say hi, YouTube. They didn't hear you. Gotta speak up.
Hi, YouTube. What's up, guys?
That's it?
3 reasons why they should subscribe.
Give them 3 reasons.
3 reasons why they should subscribe. Okay, number 1, every other person on YouTube who does these car videos barely puts in any effort into their editing. You don't see car videos edited like this.
Tell them, babe.
2, they don't even be chatting and entertaining you like Sticks entertains you. Keep being entertained while watching them, kind of gotta subscribe.
Word.
Number 3, you guys comment a lot, but you should tell your other car fiends to watch and subscribe too. The more views and the more subscribers you get, the more content you get.
Word.
The more, if Mr. Sticks starts getting money, he could wrap his car, he could get new rims, he could put you guys on to mad shit and give you guys discount codes.
Word.
Like 10 reasons.
Word. That's $1 million, right? So guys, subscribe. Oh look, we got a BMW in front of us. What is this? It's a 330, I think. And he got his shit pretty low, you know, it looks nice. What's up, man? Pop that thing in sport and let's go. We're a menace to New York City. They hate us over here. Oh man, I can't really see out that side window. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Go, Honda, what are you trying to do? I know you're a little crazy. Babe, make sure you strap in your seatbelt, because you're in with a pro driver.
Strap them.
Ready to go. Wait, it's a little cold, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe I should put down my back windows instead of the front ones. Yeah, put them down a little bit. There we go. So you guys can still hear it. There you go. That's better, right? So that way we don't freeze to death. I'm gonna drive a manual, because why not? Yes, sir! There's mad traffic, guys. New York City traffic, man. What, that thing right there inside? That looked like a gallery spot. Bro, this big ass truck always doing some weird shit. Look. This how they be crashing. Es que te mamalo, porque si tú ves que se está metiendo y va a seguir acelerando. Mira.
Oh my god, that looks so close.
No, it wasn't close. I think that's like a flat, the one that I used to be driving. It's like the front is flat, so it looks like you're mad close to cars, but you're not. Oh, that's how you thought about it? Because of that song?
Yeah.
Get out the way, Sticks Mobile coming through. York City is literally probably like the best spot for like if you want to make noise, because like the buildings just be making everything sound so much louder than it is. Like what? That thing sound mad loud. I know the camera probably doesn't do the, you know, what's supposed to do. You need like a separate mic for that, but you guys can still hear that thing though. Guys, I got her some flowers. She's been smelling it all day, bro. To me, it smells like ass, but she likes it. I don't get it. I just been upshifting, downshifting. That's what's, you know, that's how we get the burbles. I don't know, but it's just the bumps in New York. It's just these bumps and shits. Look at that. Is that an X3? It's a camera coming out. Let me slow my ass down. We don't want a ticket now either, huh? Tickets are no fun. Let me get on this lane, cause knowing New Yorkers, bro, they're not gonna let me through if I get closer. Reservation, Aunt Jake's. They already hitting me up, bro. I'm coming, relax. Woo! Wake your ass up. Sticks mobile coming through. Maybe we should do a video where you drive the car and you like play like, you know how to upshift and downshift? Like this, use the paddles up and down. Then you better watch my video, huh? Link below. It's easy. It's like when it hits like when this bar goes to like 3, between 3 and 4, that's when you probably want to upshift. You'll know, you'll feel the car like not wanting to go anymore, which means it's kind of telling you to go faster. Like, so you click that, makes you go faster.
I can't think that much.
But it's more like how I do. I just hear the car though. Like I just hear the car and I'll know just by listening. You can hear. Look, watch me. I'm on 1 right now, right? And just listen to the car. You see how it's just sounding? It's kind of telling you. So when I switch, watch. See? And if I do it again, it's gonna do the same thing. Look, it's just stay like that. So then that's when and then I'll do that. And then when you're slowing down, you just gotta go back down. As you're slowing down, you keep going down slowly. And that's it. It's very simple.
What if I walked through all this?
Walked?
Yeah, through the zoo and Central Park.
Oh no. I think I've been to Central Park like twice.
Oh man, I need we were roller skating.
Oh yeah. And Central Park is dumb big, bro.
It's so big.
You can't even walk through that whole thing. Te cansa. We got a little tunnel. Yes, sir. I think I've crossed over like this way like only a couple times. You know, I went through this one time with the truck. You're not supposed to, because the truck is not, yeah, it's kind of, but I did it one time and it was very close. Did I ever tell you the story? I don't think I've told many people.
You told me the one where you hit.
Oh yeah, I crashed that, but I destroyed that truck. Woo! Yes, sir. I don't see nobody outside though making noise, man. They're probably more towards like Times Square. Downshifting also helps you slow down too. So like if you wanna put less weight on your brakes, if you hit downshift, it like slows down the car too.
Only sports car have this thing?
Not necessarily sports cars, but a lot of cars have it. You know, a lot of cars are considered sports cars. Cause like Rosie's car has it. Hers has it?
I think probably.
Maybe. A lot of the cars have it. It's just, you know. Oh, you want to know where we at? We outside. We outside. Yeah. Coño. But once I get tires on this thing, bro, and new suspension, I gotta do so much though. So much. I need to get over there, bro. I be waiting too long. I mean, I still got a couple blocks, but let me just start early. Too late. I ain't see that light. Babe, you seen that light? Huh? You said, huh? Alright, good job. Is there a car on that side, babe? Are there any cars like parked?
No, not parked. There's a taxi and a bike.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna turn this way.
Yeah, but it's okay. I'll pass them by them. Alrighty. Whoa. New York streets, bro, they're just, I don't even know, bro. They're just different. Different, man. Just. Métete, marica. Did you look?
A little bit.
I made too barely. I don't know if there's a pump here. There's probably a pump right there. Cause if not, you see the pump already?
Oh, it's garbage.
Don't stay on the main road. Look, that's a spot right there. That's a spot right there. Fuck. But it's hard to get to now. I got this bitch. I don't know what y'all talking about. It's my shit. Huh, you say you always get lucky? Huh, what about me?
You always get lucky.
Fine.
He's following right in front.
Come on, man. Because I know the Stixmobile was pulling up. Alright, you beautiful people, man. We arrived at our destination. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoy the flight. If you guys ever want to join the flight again, don't forget to turn on your post notifications on. Comment down below any other videos you guys want to see. And with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.